So we're doing a little bit of work on our potting bench today, and I just thought I'd give you a quick little tip. I don't know whether you've seen this before from me or not, but here we go. So here we have a broccoli calabrese, and then we have a Brussels sprout. Igor is the variety there, and we can see that I've left these on the propagator for a little bit too long, so our stems have got long and leggy, which I don't want. Now I'm pricking these out anyway and putting them into a new seedling tray, but I can use this opportunity to solve the problem. So we can see our seedling there. I don't know if you can see that, or with our long leggy stem. So all we need to do is we are making a nice deep hole in our new tray, and this is one of our Huw Richards trays, so it's made from a long-lasting plastic. It's going to last many seasons. And what I'm doing there is I'm just pushing that little root ball right down to the bottom of the tray, and then I've planted up to that set of leaves there. So we can see there that the leggy stem has now gone. I've already done a tray of cauliflower there, and all looking much better. So that's it. To get rid of leggy seedlings, just plant the leggy bit and problem solved. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.